Tomorrow we're going to kayak with crocodiles. Oh my god.
Exciting was that, Shaz, and not something you should really try, but
Not something you do every day, that's for sure. We just stalked buffaloes on the side of the road.
Yeah, and we stalked in fairly close to until the old bull sort of got a bit.
He could smell us,
yeah,
had his nose in the air.
Yeah.
But yeah, not something you probably should do very often. But anyway, we did it, and we're pretty happy with that. So.
Not without a rifle anyway, just in case things go wrong. But
no.
yeah, Shaz has been tracking them for a couple of days now. She's finally caught up with them.
Yes, we've got a little mob with calves and everything. It was really cool.
Yeah.
Just off the edge of the road a bit, but along the road for miles ever since we've left Kakadu at Jabiru, there's buffalo scat droppings, buffalo on the road everywhere, and they say that they come in onto the road at night to get warm, and it's pretty obvious they do, because it's like following a cattle truck down the road sort of thing. It's everywhere.
So that's a good way to finish off Kakadu. To start the next
buffalo
trip.
in the wild, that's pretty awesome.
Yeah. We saw a big mob of them the other day, but that was sort of off the boat, wasn't it? But
and I saw one down at the Billabong, but we couldn't then find it, so we found these ones.
We did. So Shaz is pretty happy with herself. Very.
Here we are at Edith Falls, just outside of Katherine. Another little oasis that we've come across.
It certainly is, isn't it?
Yeah. It says swim at own risk. We're not risking it. Too Victorian for that. We are currently walking through Katherine Gorge. We've just got off the boat and we have to get onto another one, so we do a little walk between the two. It'll be awesome. Things we do.
Morning all, we've just been on an amazing tour, haven't we, Shaz?
Oh, we've just been cruising down the river, Katherine Gorge. Just, mind-blowing. I don't think it matters how many photos we take. It's not going to do that one justice. That's one you got to actually do, I think, to see it. Yeah.
Yep.
It's beautiful.
It was just, the gorge is just, it is beautiful, it's amazing.
And tomorrow we're doing kayaks down the gorge, and it's all talk crocodile. You think, tomorrow we're going to kayak with crocodiles. Oh my god.
I like the way they test to see if they've got crocodiles in the river. They put red balls, they float round in the river there, tied
and they
up
check for teeth
marks. There could be a heap of crocs there. We'll have to see if it's going to swim or not. It's a cute little spot, Shazza.
Oh, the places we find, seriously, like this is just a little random place in the middle of Katherine. It's just beautiful. This creek with little rapids running through it and bird life everywhere.
Low level reserve or something it's called. So yeah, great little spot for a picnic. The whistling kites, they're everywhere, just hovering around.
People are fishing here. Hint, hint.
Hint, hint. Yes, we're going to get serious about the fishing shortly.
He's going to buy a rod. Hey Mel, how about that? He's going to buy a fishing rod.
Yep. Give away the hand reel and go for the rod, and you know,
getting serious now. Getting serious. Yeah. Heading to Corumba, you see. So
getting into the
fishing capital.
That's it. Yeah. So we'll get serious about it. You'll see us reel in a few monsters. You will down there. Enjoy, folks.
We've gone for a bit of a walk down the river, and we found like a little island out in the middle of it, and there's fish swimming around, and yeah, what a beautiful place. With those kites, what are they called? Whistling kites.
A heap of
flying
those.
Everywhere behind us. Yeah, it's just a little bit of heaven here. It's really lovely.
I reckon I'd have about 6 in the bag by now if I had my rod down here.
6 in the bag, yeah.
6 in the bag.
He hasn't even got a bag.
Haven't even got a rod.
Here we are, kayaking down Katherine Gorge with crocodiles. Why not? What do you think, Shori?
Yeah, so that's what we're doing. I was just working out my paddle. I had it the wrong arse about, so.
Oh, no good being asked about. In a cave. Ah. Slow rocks. Really singing, it's a worry. The grandkids are gonna love that bit. Snacks department on the kayak cruise on the, where are we? Katherine Gorge.
Katherine Gorge.
Shori back there eating lollies. Gotta have the snacks. So over there on the sandbank, we're not allowed to go there because that's where the crocs are nesting, and we can see croc tracks going up the sand. How cool is that? We haven't seen the croc, but we've seen his tracks, so he's in here somewhere. Apparently this time of year they're looking to find a spot to nest, to lay their eggs. We're looking for them in the water ourselves. Well, that was interesting. We get to the end of the gorge here, and we have to take the kayaks out of the water, go across the rocks to the other side. We opted out of that option, and we've turned around and coming back. That was just all a bit too hard.
We're just having a nice leisurely cruise back.
Yeah, we're just going to cruise back by ourselves and take our time and enjoy the scenery and the peace and quiet. And we haven't fallen in the water, touch wood.
Yeah.
But I think we would have if we'd done that.
We've fallen over on the rocks, they were pretty.
Oh, the rocks were slippery.
Evil thing to
yeah.
go across.
So we'll just paddle away and eat our jelly babies. Yep. We kayaked with Crocs and survived. Go us.
Just in time. It's about to rain by looks
Yeah.
too, so we'll get back before it pours.
We've had an awesome time. It's been wonderful.
See ya.
Yeah, so really straight on that back wall there. Yeah, straight on that back wall, straight down there.
The guy says that we fish for, what do we fish for? They fish for elephants here and we fish for,
For minnows or some
I
such
don't know,
thing, yeah, something pretty
So we
small.
bought a rod that's going to catch an elephant. Oh, we've lost Shory in our fishing shop. What a worry. Oh, here he is.
We're all set. If we don't catch something,
We're going to catch elephants. That's what the guy says. He says we're going to catch elephants. Yeah. Now that's a net.
A net.
Damn. What sort of fish do you put in that?
elephants.
Elephants. They really do catch elephants up here.